Om Swastiastu. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kadek Wahyuningsih. You can call me Kris. Name 2114101005. I'm absent number 4. Prodi Hukum Hindu, jurusan Dharma Sastra. Here I will describe Awig-Awig of Sekaa Teruna in Sidetapa village. Members of Sekaa Teruna Sidetapa village are young men and women aged 14 years until married. Chairman of Sekaa Teruna Sidetapa village is democratically elected. Chairman of Sekaa Teruna Sidetapa village is elected every 4 years. Chairman of Sekaa Teruna Sidetapa village can only be elected 2 times. Every member of Sekaa Teruna has the same obligation. Every member of Sekaa Teruna Sidetapa village has the same right. Obligation of member of Sekaa Teruna Sidetapa village to carry out gotong royong or ngayah at the village temple on Galungan and Kuningan holidays. In the village temple, male members have the task of prepare religious ceremony facilities and infrastructure. Male members have the obligation to dance on Galungan and Kuningan holidays. The dance question is Ngabuang, Lilumasan, and Jangkang dance. In the village temple, female members have cleaning the deities in the village temple area. Female members have the obligation to dance on Galungan and Kuningan holidays. The dance question is if Sekaa Teruna members do not carry out mutual aid and do not dance, a fine of 50,000 rupiah will be imposed. 8 members of Sekaa Teruna Sidetapa village pay a mandatory fee of 50,000 rupiah every 6 months. If Sekaa Teruna members do not pay mandatory dues, a fine of 5,000 rupiah will be imposed. Sekaa Teruna members may not marry before the age of 19. If the Sekaa member is married under 19 years old, they will be sanctioned. The sanction obtained if the member of Sekaa Teruna married under 19 years old is to pay a fine of 500,000 rupiah. One of the rights obtained by Sekaa Teruna Sidetapa village is the right to express opinions. Well, that's I can say. That's what I say and thank you. Om Santi 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 Om.